If you ask me why I like restoring bikes, it's this. Each bike has a story, and the great part is when you restore a bike, you become part of that story. And as is the case with any great story, there are always obstacles to overcome, challenges which will test your determination. And in those moments, restoring a bike becomes much more than just restoring a bike. It becomes a test. And one of the biggest tests you will face is the bottom bracket. I'll leave you with just the video for now. I've written a companion article about the ins and outs of what you can see on my website, restoration.bike. And you can find a link to that article in the description below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll tell you a new story in the next video. Bye for now.